We provide a variety of power, control, and communication cables and cable assemblies for the wind turbine end market. One in particular we've shown a lot of success in is for slip ring harnesses that are used as a direct replacement for the GE 1.5 non-ESS wind turbine.
In the slip ring harness, we position the conductors in a particular location so that there's equal stress and asymmetry to how the cable is built. This keeps the cable round, and it also extends the life of the cable.
Our Supertruck Jacket is specifically engineered to withstand the flexing and the chemicals that the cables see in the wind turbines. More importantly, less times replacing the harness and climbing up the turbine has created a safer work environment.
We install ferrules on the cable ends to aid in installation. It just makes it so much easier for the technician that's bringing the cable up the 300-foot tower to have it ready to go, and all he has to do is slap it in and terminate it.
Every harness is pre-terminated at specified lengths and goes through a piece-by-piece quality control procedure to make sure the crimp connections, wiring, and labeling are within spec and ready for a plug-and-play install.